What's great? Chef here, John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make red stripe beer butter. Yeah, man,
Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.
So you know the thing, a cold red stripe in Jamaica is a must-have, but a cold red stripe in a butter is a must-have. You feel me I say? You don't have to worry about using this beer butter to fry the chicken fingers for the kids, because after it cook, all that alcohol burn off. You're good to go, so the kids can enjoy whatever meals you prepare from this beer butter. So that's a plus. You know what I say? Leave in the comment section what you'd like to see me use this beer butter to create. I have a video right now on Jamaican beer buttered fish and chips. I also have deep fried mozzarella sticks and pickles that I also use this recipe to create. I made a delicious mushroom burger using this beer butter as well, and trust me. Matter of fact, I like a snippet of the thing. Yeah? Look on the burger and tell me what go on. Yeah, it is up next, you see me? So without further delay, forward, let me show you what go on. So starting off with a cup and a quarter of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna go in with a tablespoon and a half of baking powder. And what this does is to help the mixture to be light and fluffy. 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. And what that does is to get that mixture nice and crunchy, so it is fluffy but still has a crunch factor to it. So that's the role the cornstarch plays in this recipe. Thirdly, we're gonna go in with half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of ground black pepper. One of the main ingredients in this recipe is the piri piri, and this is a mixture of lime, garlic, onion and chili peppers. You know what I say? Nice and flavorful, and it gives it such a beautiful color in the end. So that's 2.5 tablespoons. Now we're just gonna sift that out, and we'll sift these so we get the mixture nice and smooth. You don't want lumps of cornstarch going in your stuff, right? We won't throw these out, we're gonna put them in it, and we're just gonna mix that right in to incorporate all of these ingredients fully. Now that's fully incorporated, we're gonna go in with the star of the show. Yeah man, it's like a movie, you know the thing of the beer. Just gonna gradually add that right in our mixture. That's the perfect sound I like to hear. So just mix this to incorporate everything and get it nice and fluffy. Nice, smooth, thick butter that coats your spoon. These lumps that you're looking at right now are just the seeds from your chili peppers in that piri piri. This makes such a wonderful butter for all your fish, chicken, the list goes on. As I said before, get this recipe as a part of your list, because this is one of my go-to butters that I use to make most of my fry stuff that requires a butter. And this is Jamaican red stripe beer, so you don't know all the things there. And there you have it, how to prepare your very own red stripe beer butter here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel pan the gravel, and go and big up on yourself.
Yeah, me see another dinner for later. But know you fast girl, you have to tell me, cause any man can feed you. So that's why I always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.